Hari Om children, this is sum number 5 in exercise number 7.2. A man buys 400 of rupees 10 shares. Number of shares is 400. Face value of each share, that is the original value of each share is 10 rupees. Premium value, premium of 2 rupees 50 paisa, that is he can sell each share at an excess of 2 rupees 50 paisa. So premium value is 2 rupees 50 paisa. So original value of a share is 10 rupees plus 2 rupees 50 paise. You can sell a share at a rate of 12 rupees 50 paise. Rate of dividend, what he received, that is the profit percentage he has received is 12 percentage. Rate of dividend is 12 percentage. We have to find his investment. First sum is to find his investment. Investment is equal to number of shares into market value. Number of shares is 400 and market value is, you can sell a share at a rate of 12 rupees 50 paise. Is it so or not? So 12 rupees 50 paisa. 400 into 12.50. 400 into 12.50. You will get 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 rupees is his investment. His investment equals rupees 5,000. Second sum, his annual dividend received by him. So annual dividend received by him. Even if you have 400, 500 shares, monthly, 1 month you can sell 20 shares, the other month you can sell 15 shares, then 5 shares, 2 shares, like that, okay? So total annual dividend he has received, we need to find. This rate of dividend is for month. Received, annual dividend received by him equals, the formula is number of shares into face value into rate of dividend. Number of shares is 400 rupees. Face value of each share is 10 rupees. And rate of dividend is 12 divided by 100. Now cancel the zeros. The remaining will be 40 into 10. 40, 4 tens are 40 into 12. Sorry. So 40 into 12 is 480. 480. Annual dividend received, that is the for 1 year he has received a profit of 480 rupees. Received income of 480 rupees, okay? Received by him equals rupees 480. And the third question, rate of interest received by him on his money. Out of this, what is the rate for 480 rupees? What is the rate of interest they are asking? Rate of interest received by him on his money equals income by investment into 100. Income is 400 and he has received a total profit of 480 rupees for the whole year. 480 and his investment is 5,000 rupees into 100. So zeros will get cancelled. Remaining will be 48 divided by 5. So 48 divided by 5 is 9.6. 9.6 percentage. Rate of interest received by him on his money equals 9.6 percentage. With this, sum number 5 of exercise number 7.2 is completed. Hari Om.